Hey everyone, so this is Harsh, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can basically import any JSON file into your n8n workflow, and then you can basically start creating an automation. So again, I've got a lot of messages and requests around how to import any workflow into your, how to import any existing workflow into the n8n. And I thought, why not creating a video around this? Of course, initially I was not about to create a video around this because I thought this is something very, very simple and everyone knows about this. But again, then I came to know that not many people are knowing about or like aware about how to import an existing workflow, which is a JSON file into your n8n dashboard. So I thought let's create a video around it. So yeah, in today's video, we're going to see that. So again, this is going to be a very short video compared to my other videos. So yeah, you will enjoy it. I hope you will enjoy this video. So yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So basically, let's say if you are into this n8n dashboard and you want to import your existing workflow. So now what you need to do is you can click on this plus icon or you can click on this create workflow. So let's click on the create workflow, right? And over here you will see the interface where you can basically drag and drop a different node. So now over here you can see this three dot icon on the top right panel, and you just click on this, and here you will find two particular options about around import. One is import from URL and another one is import from file. Now let's say if you have a URL of a JSON file, or let's say if you have already your workflow to your Thrive file, you can import that from URL, or let's say if you have downloaded a JSON file of the n8n workflow to your local machine, what you can do, you can click on this import from file. Right now, again, I don't have any workflow right now, so let me first download any sort of a workflow and then workflow thing to show you that how it goes. So yeah, let's first download any sort of a template. Let me download this. Use it for free, and yeah, copy. So now I think let me download any of the existing workflow that I have. So for example, this is the workflow that I've shared recently on my LinkedIn and on my YouTube, and this went really crazy viral. So let me download this to show you that how to import it. Now once it is downloaded, what you need to do is basically you need to just click on these three dots and click on this import from file. And over here, you will find a workflow that you have downloaded. Just click on this and that's it. That's how you can basically download the existing workflow and import that into your n8n dashboard. So yeah, I think that's it from this video. I hope you found this video really helpful and simple to follow along. And if yes, like this video, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel so that I can make more such videos that will be really helpful and useful and adding some sort of a monetary value to your life. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.